Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news. There is an update for One UI on the Galaxy S23 and S24 series phones. So we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to show you how to install it, what the steps are, and we'll go ahead and test out the improved animations and navigation on One UI Home. So let's jump into it. Okay, so recently there was a post put out by Tarun Vats on X, and this has the new release. I'm going to go ahead and show you that post. So this is the latest One UI Home update. This is pulled from the One UI 6.1.1. You can install this on your Galaxy S24 or S23 series. There are some steps that we're going to go over that you definitely want to follow to ensure that you don't have any issues with your device. So let's start off with checking the version that you have. So in order to do this, if we go to the home screen, we can just press and hold down on the home screen. We're going to go into settings. We're going to scroll all the way down. We're going to go to about home screen. And this is going to show us our current version. So right now this is on 15.1.01.5. And that says it's the latest version. So the first thing that we're going to do is, before we do anything, is we're going to back up our home settings. The reason we're going to do this is there have been some issues with folders and settings getting reset, and this will ensure that you don't have to do this moving forward. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into our settings. We're going to go into our search and we're going to type in backup. And we're going to have this option here, temporary cloud backup. So this is something that Samsung provided for us to use. So we can go ahead and click on this. And right here we have a temporary cloud backup, and then we have external storage backup. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go ahead and back everything up to the temporary cloud storage. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and then it's going to ask us to back up data. I'm going to go ahead and back up the data, and what it's going to do is go out and back up our settings. So once that is done, then you can go ahead and install the new One UI Home update. Please make sure that you back up your information, your settings, to ensure you don't have any issues. So here is the items it's going to back up. And you can see we can just select certain things here. So I'm going to actually deselect everything, and I'm just going to select my home screen. I'm going to select my settings, and that should be the only things that we need to do. Then we're going to go ahead and back those up. Once the backup's done, shouldn't take very long, then we'll go ahead and jump into it. All right, and you can see it's just about done doing the backup. We're a little over 50%, and looks like we're at 80. Should be at 100 here in just a second. Once that's done, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to download. I've already downloaded the file. I will post a link to the original file. There was an updated post. The original link, I believe, expired. So I'll post the new link in the description below. Okay, and there we go, 100% backed up. We're just going to make sure that we get confirmation on that. So now it is actually backing up the data. So it's gone through, it's grabbed the information, and now it's going to do the backup process. So once that's done, we'll be back and we'll show you how to install it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now your data has been backed up. Please note that it can take some time to do this. It took mine quite a bit of time, and I'm just backing up the home screen and the settings. So it may vary depending on your connection and how much information you have. So now that that's done, we'll go ahead and click done. And we're going to go ahead and go through the steps. So you're going to download the APK file, which I will link in the description below. So I've gone ahead and downloaded that. So all we're going to do is go ahead and go to that file, which is here. And we're going to go ahead and install that. So it'll say, do you want to update? We're going to say yes. We'll go ahead and update. It's going to install. Now you may have to provide permissions. It may come back and say you don't have rights to do that. So you'll need to enable that. You can see I have that done. So I'm going to go ahead and click done there. And so now if we go ahead and hold down on the home screen and we go back to settings and we go to about screen, you can see now this is at 15.5.03.1. So this is on the new One UI home. And let's just kind of take a look here. The animations are pretty smooth. It's hard to catch on camera, but I'm not seeing any lag. This seems really nice. Let's just go ahead and open up a couple other things here. Let's go ahead and open up X, and we'll go ahead and open up Instagram. Take a look there. So very smooth. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but it is definitely a lot more smoother. The navigation seems a lot quicker. Things are really snappy. Animations are much better from what I can tell. So definitely follow those steps to go ahead and install. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and always click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.